Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Study with RK. Today in this video we will look at a very important question, reproduction of bacteria or asexual reproduction of bacteria. तो इसके पहले बैक्टीरिया से जुड़ी गई और भी जितने टॉपिक है मैंने उस पर वीडियो अपलोड कर रखे हैं। यदि आपने वो वीडियोस नहीं देखे हैं तो उस वीडियो का लिंक मैंने आज के इस वीडियो के नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे रखा है, तो उस लिंक पर क्लिक करके आप उन वीडियो को भी देख लीजिए। तो चलो फिर देखते हैं कि बैक्टीरिया में रिप्रोडक्शन क्या होता है। जस्ट लाइक एनी अदर ऑर्गेनिजम्स, बैक्टीरिया ऑल्सो रिप्रोड्यूस टू कंटिन्यू देयर स्पीसीज since they are unicellular and do not have a well organized cell, so bacteria have been grouped under prokaryotes. When bacteria are inoculated into nutrient medium and incubated under appropriate conditions, their number increases continuously. Or this increase in number can be explained by growth and reproduction. The term growth as applied to bacteria and other microorganisms refer to change in the total populations rather than increase in the size or mass of individual organisms. Bacteria are reproduced both asexually as well as sexually. In this topic, we will discuss a brief overview of asexual types of reproduction in bacteria. In asexual reproduction in bacteria, 4 methods are observed. There are binary fission, budding, fragmentation and formation of conidiospores and sporangiosپores. चलो फिर देखते हैं कि बाइनरी फिशन से बैक्टीरिया कैसे रिप्रोड्यूस होते हैं. It is the most common mode and most important mode of cell division in bacteria is of binary fission. यहाँ पे जो बैक्टीरियम है सिंगल सेल वो 2 आइडेंटिकल डॉटर सेल में डिवाइड होगा. यहाँ पे जब सिंगल सेल डिवाइड होता है तब ट्रांसफर सेप्टम फॉर्मेशन होगा. इट इज सिमिलर टू क्रॉस वॉल. So here bacteria binary fissions begin when the DNA of the bacterium divides into 2 replicates. Each daughter cells is a clone of parental cell and binary fissions is a one kind of sexual reproduction. Then steps of binary fission. First step है replication of DNA. Here replication of deoxyribonucleic acid DNA is the initiation of the binary fission process. So the DNA or genetic material is duplicated. Then second step है growth of cell. After duplications of DNA, the parent cell is ready to reproduce by binary fission process. As preparatory step, it grows considerably and increases its size. At the same time, the 2 circular DNA strands migrates and attach themselves to plasma membrane in different sites. Then third step है segregation of DNA. यहाँ पे ट्रांसफर सेप्टम फॉर्मेशन होगा. ये जो है वो ट्रांसफर सेप्टम है. So cell elongates and starts pulling apart from opposite poles. The final binary fission step is splitting of cells. Here splitting of the parental cell into 2 daughter cells. Then second type is budding. Some bacteria usually reproduce by budding. For example, Rhodopseudomonas acidophila. Budding is the process of asexual reproduction in bacteria in which small bud develops into new cells which then separates from parent cells. This is the process in which a small protuberance develops at one end of the cells. Protuberance मतलब कि bud. This cell enlarged and eventually develops into a new cells which separates from the parental cell. In some budding bacteria such as Hyphobacterium species, the bud may develop at the end of prostheca. यहाँ पे मैंने हाइफोमोनास नेप्ट्यूनियम का रिप्रोडक्शन स्टेज दिखाया है और ये जो है वो प्रोस्थिका है. इसको हम स्टॉक सेल भी बोल सकते हैं. सो ये प्रोस्थिका की एंड में से ये बर्ड डेवलप होगा एंड यू कैन सी दिस इज बर्डिंग सेल और इसके बाद ये पेरेंट सेल में सेपरेट हो जाएगा. देन थर्ड वन इज फ्रेगमेंटेशन. Bacteria may grow or reproduce by fragmentation of the filaments into small bacillary or coccoid cells. Each filament grow and form new cell. usually occurs in filamentous bacteria such as Nocardia species. Here you can see this is Bacillariaceae bacterium. After fragmentation, each filaments grow and form a new cell. Then last one is formation of conidiospore and sporangiospore. Some bacteria and species of genus Streptomyces develops a spore at the tip of hyphae by crosswall formation. In favorable condition, each spore germinates and gives rise to a new hyphae. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं कि Streptomyces reproduce and disperse through the formation of spores. It's called conidia, which follows the period of vegetative growth, vegetative myceliums. The spores are produced in aerial filaments called sporophores, which rise above the colony. So it's all about reproduction of bacteria. Thank you everyone. If you like it, do like and share. And for regular updates and notification, please subscribe Study with Harkesh.